Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to explore the axis of symmetry. This is a fundamental concept in algebra that helps us understand the structure of parabolas. It's the vertical line that splits a parabola into two perfect, symmetrical halves. First, let's quickly review what a parabola is. A parabola is the U-shaped curve you get when you graph a quadratic function. The standard form of a quadratic function is y equals a times x squared plus b times x plus c. Every single parabola, no matter how wide or narrow, has a line of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line that cuts right through the center of the parabola. It passes through a special point called the vertex. If you were to fold the parabola along this line, both halves would match up perfectly. Think of it as a mirror line for the curve. So, how do we find this line? We use a very straightforward formula. X equals negative b divided by 2a. This formula will give us the x value for our vertical line of symmetry. It's the key to unlocking the structure of any parabola. To use our formula, we need to know what a and b represent. They come from the standard form of a quadratic equation. Y equals a x squared plus bx plus c. The a is the number in front of the x squared term, and b is the number in front of the x term. We don't need c for this calculation. Let's walk through an example. Imagine we have the equation y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 5. First, we identify our a and b values. Here, a is 2 and b is negative 8. Next, we substitute these into the formula. We get x equals the negative of negative 8 divided by 2 times 2. This simplifies to 8 divided by 4. So the axis of symmetry is the line x equals 2. The vertex is the turning point of the parabola. It's either the very bottom of the U shape, which we call the minimum, or the very top, which we call the maximum. The axis of symmetry is so important because it always passes directly through this vertex. The formula x equals negative b divided by 2 actually gives us the x-coordinate of the vertex. You might be wondering why this formula works so well. It's derived from the more complex quadratic formula, which is used to find the roots of the equation. That is, the points where the parabola crosses the x-axis. The axis of symmetry lies exactly in the middle of these two roots. Our formula is essentially a shortcut to find that midpoint without needing to find the roots first. To wrap up, let's review the main points. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line that divides a parabola into two identical halves. This line goes through the vertex, which is the parabola's highest or lowest point. And most importantly, you can always find the equation of this line using the simple formula. X equals negative b divided by 2a.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.